Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate delete method of file class in Java. So let's get started. Delete method is one of the predefined methods of the file class in Java. And using this delete method, we can delete files and empty folders. Okay. Using this delete method in Java, we can delete the files or the empty folders. But we cannot delete the folders having files in it. But we cannot delete the folders having the files in it by using this delete method. Only we can delete the files. Either the files we can delete using the delete method, or we can delete the empty folders, the folders which doesn't have any files under it. That kind of empty folders we can delete using the delete method. But we cannot delete the folders having the files in it. Let me demonstrate this practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name with main method, and inside this main method I'm going to okay represent a file first. Okay, in order to show you how to delete a file using the delete method, I'm going to represent the file first. File1 is equal new file, and here let me represent a file here dot slash, and here we have this file known as abc.txt, right? Let me give that abc.txt file. Now hover the mouse on this file class and import it from java.io package, and here now say file1 dot delete. Okay. The moment I say file1 dot delete, this delete method is going to delete the represented file here. Okay. In addition, this delete method, if it has really deleted a file, if this delete method of the file class has really deleted that given file, then this delete method is going to return true, boolean value true. So I'll write this inside the if block. Okay. The delete is successful. Deletion of the file is successful. Then I'm going to print out file got deleted. Okay. File got deleted. Else I'll print out system.out.println file didn't get deleted. File didn't get deleted. Like this, I'll write down. Okay. So now I'll represent a folder also. File folder1 is equal to new file of, let me represent a folder here so that I can demonstrate how to use a delete method for deleting a folder. So here, let me give this folder name, and this folder A is a empty folder. It doesn't have any files under it. Such kind of folder I'm giving here. Now, in this case, if I write folder1 dot delete, here if I write system.out.println, folder got deleted. Okay. Else, system.out.println, folder didn't get deleted. Okay. Similarly, I'll create one more thing, that is folder2, new file. Like this, using the file class, I'll represent another folder which have some files under it. For example, dot slash. I'll take this folder E. Folder E has some one file under it, right? That folder E I'll take. Folder E which has some files under it. Now, if folder2 dot is delete, and here I'll write down system.out.println, folder got deleted. Otherwise, I'll write here file1 got deleted, file1 didn't get deleted, folder1 got deleted, folder1 didn't get deleted, folder2 got deleted, folder2 didn't get deleted. Like that, I'll write the code. Folder2 didn't get deleted. Okay, now if I run this particular code, guys, if I run this particular code, so here if the delete method deletes this particular, okay, file class represented file, then it will print file1 got deleted. Okay, it will print file1 got deleted. So in the folder A, it's an empty folder here. Folder1 got deleted will be printed here. File1 got deleted will be printed because there is a file. The file is available. Since the file is available and you are saying delete means the file1 got deleted will be printed. Here folder A is there. Under the folder A, no files are there. So it's an empty folder. That folder also will get deleted. Folder1 got deleted should be printed. And third case, folder E has some files under it. So if you directly try to create the folder having the files in Java, it won't delete guys. This delete will return false, and because of which folder 2 didn't get deleted will be printed. Run this code and see the output. File 1 got deleted, folder 1 got deleted, but folder 2 didn't get deleted. And you can see here, refresh the project guys. Here right click on the project and refresh once. You see, this abc.txt file is no more. Here folder A is no more. Folder B, C, D is there. A is not there. What about the E? E is still there because it didn't get deleted. Folder 2 didn't get deleted because it has a file under it. So hope guys you understood how to use the delete method of the file predefined class in Java. Okay, delete predefined method of the file predefined class in Java, which will delete either the file or empty folders, but it cannot delete the folders having some files in it. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.